group. Pretty close, pretty close. And that's remarkable. In my mind, that's very remarkable.
All right.
I'm going to do that. First, one simple question. Is this optimization for steady state?
This is for studies.
Steady state. Second question, my feeling is that you are assuming equilibrium between different phases, right? In
That's
the
correct.
distillation.
That's correct.
Now, if the mass transfer rate becomes very high, depending upon the temperature condition, etc., and perhaps also, then the so-called equilibrium thermodynamic simulation is not good because it becomes controlled by transport
That's
effects. So have you taken care of the effects?
No, we haven't gone that far yet. Okay, so the way I look at it is if mass transport, like basically your trade.
Thank you, Dr. Rakesh. One of the very critical aspects, and I think maybe in the future we are able to develop some nano products which help us in this direction. So these are some of the areas of research. In fact, once we talk about the energy, solar energy and computers, then home and garden, food and beverage, then cross-cut, and this size and morphology, shape, etc. can be measured by these kinds of instruments and equipment, TEM, SEM, STM, etc. Then chemical crystalline properties, IR, NMR, XRD, etc. are being used for this purpose. Surface properties by BET, XPS, some of these instruments are available in big laboratories, and composite structures by using this transmission electron microscope and element mapping, etc. So these are some of the instruments and equipments which are being used for the characterization of the properties of the nanomaterials, which definitely will tell about their risk. For assessing and managing the risk-based impact, again, the occupational exposure in the workplace is one of the important aspects, and that affects the human beings. Then exposure from deliberate environmental releases, from unintentional environmental releases, and then from consumer products such as cosmetics. Many times we have been hearing that these cosmetic products are very harmful for the skin and it may lead to cancer, many types of dyes, etc. But exact effect is yet to be known. Exposure from medical products including drugs, treatments and devices, and the atmosphere is a major route of human and environmental exposure to particulates, in particular in the process of inhalation. So all these things, once we have carbon black, fume silica, silver, gallium, iron, plasma jet, alumina suspensions, etc., occupational human exposure, then public human exposure and ecological exposure, they all result into the environmental effects as far as basic environment is concerned. Now, the very important aspect is, it is too early to say.
Dr. S.K. Pandey, Director NIT Puducherry. Thank you, ma'am.
The National Science Foundation.
The needs that we have in sustainable development are significant. To provide sustainable development, we need to meet the needs of the present generation, as well as preserve the capacity to meet the needs of future generations. And our present needs are painfully clear. In basic needs such as water, food, and shelter, we still have hundreds of millions of people around the world, including in the United States, who don't have access to safe drinking water, who suffer chronic hunger, and we significantly reduced our biodiversity, caused an inordinate amount of cancer due to these agrochemicals, and have a worldwide epidemic of obesity as well as diabetes, which is significant not only in the U.S. but here in India as well. Modern medicine from 1770 to the present has given us viral vaccines, bacterial sanitation and antibiotics, and enzyme conditions, but has given us facing the choices of healthcare rationing as well as spiraling costs. So each one of these solutions that have been used to meet our basic needs in the past has resulted in significant global problems. And what's important to recognize is that these problems cannot be solved with existing technologies. If they could, they would have been solved. So just to illustrate, for example, this is a plot showing longevity in terms of years from 74 to 82 as a function of expenditures, per capita spending. And so in terms of per capita spending, you see here that the U.S. ranks significantly higher than average in terms of per capita spending, but life expectancy in the U.S. is much lower than scores of other different nations. To enjoy our life and having us decoupled from mass and energy consumption, or are those things always going to be correlated so that we prosper at the expense of our environment and at the expense of our natural resources? And just to give some examples of that, in 2011, we consumed 40, that constituted 16 to 40 tons per person per year. In developing nations, about 4 tons per person per year. And it's projected in 2050 that will rise to 140 billion tons per year of consumption. I'm not sure that we can afford to continue at those levels of consumption. So in order to meet these challenges, we can consider what's known as the Pasteur's Quadrant. And Pasteur's Quadrant is Epsilon.
That is porosity of material.
Epsilon can refer to the porosity. I'm not sure which equation that you looked at. I can scroll back if you want.
We talk about
How
that
do you
is
find out
affecting
the,
this porosity.
how do you find out the effective dispersity?
In case of dispersion, and you can say absorption, this effect of you can say porosity is there. To convert, you can say conversion from you can say surface heat transfer process to the volumetric heat transfer process.
There are a number of equations that those can also be measured effectively.
Because we are using it through the porous media. In thermal energy storage system is state very good.
Is Mohammed Farid here?
मिडल में
Mohammed Farid from University of Auckland. All right.
पूरी तो नाम लगाएगा ना फोटो होंगी
But I guess that's okay.
you have to are
Thank you, sir, for
आइए
the
सर
occasion. Next, I request Dr. I.M. Mishra and Dr. M.K. Jha to kindly present a memento of honor. Thank you, sir, for gracing the occasion.
Even council is an internal matter of council. And we should not avoid some sort of unhappiness. So let's not membership
Membership may be a criterion.
you write the
Yes.
seniority by not age, seniority by membership.
Yes. Membership may be.
Very good suggestion. Very good suggestion. कभी कभी आता है अच्छा suggestion.
If AGM passes this, we'll make it a.
Okay. But I remember, sir, if I remember, there are defined rules. What vice president one will do, what vice president two will do. There are, I remember, see the roles and protocols were there. It is defined. I think there should not be any confusion. That who will be there during the inaugural, and one of them, another will take care for his student. So many things are there. So it is already defined that. I think it is, if you see, constitution is well defined. Vice President 1 is supposed to do this, and vice president 2 is supposed to do this. So during AGM, who will be, all those things are given.
Our protocol committee will.
But anyway, wherever you find confusion,
There is no such protocol. It is the duty of vice president one, and it is the duty of vice president. One of the vice president.
one of the vice president.
No, this is a good point. If you all can accept it, we'll go for as per the seniority, as per the membership number. So whoever is senior, that will go ahead, right? We'll tell only the votes which you got. We'll not tell the others.
Yeah, not at all, not at all. It should not be public. And I will also not make public. I will also not make public.
There is a problem.
And then I'll explain. There are problems why. I also asked, like when I was contesting for the first time, but later on when I got convinced from my members. See what is happening, suppose if it is not told to you how many votes were casted to you, then out of, say, let's say X, Y was given there in the record, and we leave it in our headquarters, and once it is declared, probably it is not going to make any difference except the psychological. So if you can agree, probably you can accept it rather than asking for individual also, because until it is told that this post has gone to Mr. Vaidya from Dr. Day, how does it make sense?
On the case of dispute only, the very purpose of secrecy is lost. It is in case of dispute only, it should be declared. Otherwise, there is no need.
Yes, sir.
No, and essentially it is the secrecy. Why we put the two covers? The very purpose is secrecy. So the very charm of secrecy is lost. एक साल के लिए पूरा पेपर रखा जाता है.
During this election, some members called me. Their submission was like that the headquarter peoples are doing. That means headquarter peoples mean the office bearers. But actually, it is not done by that way. There is a returning officer, and he recruited other persons who will be counting the vote. And this year, I can read the names. Professor A.K. Mitra, who was our past president. Professor B.N. Srimani, he served the institute, I think,
Many years.
long many years. Then Professor P. he also served the institute.
They are all veterans. We did not
All
read.
like that.
They are all very senior members. We are sure nothing will happen.
Then Professor S.
Ask our editor, B.R. Sarohar, sorry. Anil Kumar.
The first question, status. We have.
He is the editor.
Huh? We have collaborated with Allied Francis in 2011. And we started there in 2012. And in 2012 we have published all the issues of 2011. Two issues of 2012 have already been printed. Third issue will be printed maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. And fourth issue by the mid of January 2013. And we have covered up all the backlog in just 1 year. Very good. This is regarding the printing and publishing. Coming to the second point.
Not planning.
Alcohol is different, ice is different.
Volume.
Suppose whatever we made presentation here, we refer in some other place. Connectivity should be there.
ये तो peer reviewed नहीं है.
No, both of them.
This is not peer reviewed. This is
peer
not
reviewed
peer
नहीं है.
reviewed. This is actually general. This has nothing to do with CAMCON.
Yes, sir. Conferences के paper provided. PDF should be peer reviewed.
Or I am authorized to take a decision. We have a tradition that we publish this Dr. H.L. Rai Memorial Lecture in the first issue, Dr. C.K. Murthy in the second issue, and Dr. N.R. Kamath in the third issue.
No, that is the section B.
Section B. Let's listen to you.
So what I wish to say is,
lecture. The first thing is that already we published one booklet, and then we distribute among all the members during CAMCON. That is the number one thing. Then the second thing is that again we will publish in IC Journal section B. What is my suggestion is from the next CAMCON, not from this. The third thing is, sir, we are also publishing souvenir. So why sir not this all these 3 lectures can be part of souvenir like presidential address, Dr. H.L. Memorial Lecture, C.K. Murthy, N.R. Kamath, all should become part of our souvenir, such a small booklet and all these things. So if sir general body allows or the council decide, so from some because it is only sir wastage of efforts, you can say wastage of money also sometimes. So that will come under part, that will be better, and then that souvenir everybody get and all these things. The second thing is there is no point again we want to publish it in that, then why it will be there?
No, it cannot come in ICE because that is all peer review, all of them.
Yes, sir.
Without that they are not accepting because of the
paper,
international standards. So they are not accepting, but all the papers which are coming here will be coming in your souvenirs letter which you are going to
I would like to compliment Professor Saroha for taking so much pain for the improvement of the ICE. After initial troubles with the publishing and all that thing, now with Annamaya publisher, now it has become quite regular, I would say. And in the coming few months, I am sure that it will be very regular. The only thing I would like to call upon all the esteemed members present in this August House, that the quality is too good. Quality of the paper is very good, much better, and the appearance of the journal is indeed of international standard. We feel proud when we take ICE in our hand now. What I would like to call upon the esteemed member is that they should contribute papers towards ICE. We are seeing that there are 3 or 4 papers in the entire issue. Just 3 and 4 papers should not be the contents of the complete journal. There should be at least, according to me, 10 to 12 papers in one journal. So that is only possible that if we are saying that our papers should be published. But if we do not send our papers to the ICE, what the editor will do? We should take this onus on ourselves and send the papers to the editor.
Can I take 2 more minutes? 7 years. इससे ज़्यादा तो मैं कुछ नहीं करता. मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट नहीं आएगी, मैं खुद बैठ कर तो नहीं लिखूंगा. So finally, I think I have sent letter to all the IITs, all the IIC Bangalore and all this. People are responding. So I think we have to come forward to submit.
Dr. Saroha, if you increase that impact factor, they will do.
Sir, I want to take 1 minute.
I give mementos to our members who are actually helping our ISHE for getting more and more members, and who are giving minimum 10 number of members to ISHE, where we are giving them mementos for a long time. So accordingly the names are Dr. T. Kanha Dasan. He is not there, but somebody is there on behalf of. Then Professor Murthy.
ये सही हो गया
Hi, Rahul.
नहीं साहब मेरा अधिकार को हाँ इधर आके जरा
इसका फोटो ये मत कहना मैं मुझे मिला 10 मैं लाया था.
तो और किसका फोटो छपेगा? टी शर्ट में यार
Dr. Suresh S. Patel.
यार तो मेरा में टी शर्ट
Dr. S.P. Chaurasia.
आने वाला था.
और वो फोटो इसलिए खींच रहे कि रहे विटनेस
पास हो जाओ सर थोड़ा क्लोज हो जाओ बेटे.
We wish you also get next time. That is the reason we are having a encouragement.
Thank you.
अच्छा ऐसा है
कितने मेंबर बढ़े अवार्ड तो बांट दिए. ये तो कैमकॉन में हुई थी यार, इसकी थोड़ी बात है. कैमकॉन में हुआ था ना.
अभी जालंधर वाले का
बड़ौदा का तो बनता.
Coimbatore Regional Center.
Anybody from Coimbatore Regional Center, please look.
Then Pilani, Gates Pilani Regional Center.
Gates Pilani.
Thank you.
Any member from Bit?
अलग से करो नहीं, अलग से, ये अलग से होनी चाहिए।
एक और रुको, चलो ये बात।
Then our friends who are council members and retiring this year from the council, there are 10 members who are retiring from this council. Dr. R.C. Dixit.
Anybody can take on his behalf.
अभी रिटायर कहाँ हुआ तुम काउंसिल से?
Dr. M. Srinivasa Rao.
जब से जब रिटायर होंगे।
Thank you. Mr. V.K. Srivastava.
Yes. Great job for the making.
One stage.
Senior most.
Stand here. ये भैया ये फोटो मत लेना भैया।
परवीन
प्रूफ नहीं रहेगा। प्रूफ नहीं रहेगा वो कह देंगे साहब अभी लोग लगत में कोई नहीं रहा।
लगत में कोई नहीं रहा। दिलो एक रखा दिया पीछे।
Then Mr. C.P. Ramalu.
परवीन को आप हैं?
आपका भी नाम आएगा कॉपी।
एक बचा दे दो।
कुछ भी कर देते हैं बोले इसको रिटायर नहीं करने का।
दीक्षित जी की जगह एक के जगह।
हाँ यार।
So at least this should be noted. Vishal ji?
No, it should not be raised at this point in time.
Not
It should be
yet.
considered next year.
Only
That's all right, but I mentioned it.
And we appreciate that his spirit to come forward for bidding for
Rudy has come first time.
admission for
Vishal ji, you want to speak something? You want to speak something?
we will be honored to
ਉਹਦੀ ਕਿਉਂ ਲਾਈ ਸੁਪਨੇ ਵੱਡੇ ਸੀ
ਅੱਜ ਉਹਦਾ ਸੀ ਨਾ ਮਤਲਬ 1:30 ਵਜੇ ਤੱਕ ਉਹਦੇ ਅੰਡਰ ਮਤਲਬ ਚੱਲਦਾ ਵੈਸੇ
और अगर मेरा रंग सफेद होता तो मैं सिर्फ ईसाइयों का होता। और इतिहास गवाह है कि जब इन रंगों के बीच लड़ाई तू ये बता नेता लोग कैसे रंग बदलते हैं? मुझसे क्या पूछ रहा है? हमारा नेता कैसा हो? बीजेपी जैसा हो। हमारा नेता कैसा हो? बीजेपी जैसा हो। भाइयों और उनकी बहनों, भाइयों और बहनों, आज मैं तुम लोगों से कुछ मांगने आया हूँ। क्या बोला? हिंदी में बोल, हिंदी में। अरे सबको सब कुछ मिलेगा। भूखे को अनाज मिलेगा, अमीर को कपड़ा मिलेगा, पीने को पानी मिलेगा और हाँ हेल्थ ड्रिंक भी मिलेगा। तालियां। हमारा नेता कैसा हो? बीजेपी जैसा हो। पानी की तरह रंग बदलते हैं नेता। उनको लगता जैसे पतले कुछ नहीं समझता। चुनाव के पहले बोलते हैं देंगे आटा और बाद
आपकी सरकार क्या करने वाली है?
अभी फंड का क्या है? फंड तो आता है और चला जाता है। और रही बात शौचालय की, शौचालय हो या ना हो, लोग तो कल भी गए थे और आज भी गए होंगे। और परसों भी जाएंगे।
ठीक है सर। हमें यह भी पता चला है कि आपको महिला और बाल विकास मंत्रालय भी सौंपा जा रहा है।
अजी महिला विकास मंत्रालय का तो पर्सनली ध्यान रखते हैं और अगर बाल विकास भी हम ही करने लगे तो गड्ढे में गिरे प्रिंस की न्यूज आप लोगों को कैसे मिलेगी?
ये सच्ची
क्या अनाज से कभी बनती है शराब? अरे तू नहीं जानता। इस्तेमाल करेंगे हम जवार क्योंकि ये जनता है गवार
और बाकी सब संभाल लेगी अपनी सरकार। सर जी किसी ग्रेट हो
ये है हमारे आज के नेता, बातों में करते हैं ये उल्लेखन, बातों में करते हैं उल्लेखन, लेके गरीबी और बेरोजगारी हटाओ का आश्वान। चुनाव से पहले करते हैं वादे बड़ी बड़ी, नेता बनते ही बदल जाते हैं इनके रंग।
बस, अरे ये तो कुछ भी नहीं। आओ सुनाते हैं तुमको एक बात और एक बेटी की कहानी। मैं क्या बयां करूं, खुद ही सुन लो।
हे भगवान, ये दिन देखने से पहले मैं पर क्यों नहीं गई? हमने क्या सोचा था?
क्या किया?
और क्या पाया?
पाया पाया पाया।
इस बच्चे को दहेज भी देना पड़ेगा। हाँ, अगर बेटा होता तो।
ओ मेरी नूरे जहां, अगर ऐसी ही बात है तो फिर अगले साल बेटा पक्का। नहीं है पगली, यही तो है नारी का जीवन, बड़े होके नाम करेगी रोशन। इसीलिए तो कहता हूँ अच्छे से करो इसका पालन पोषण। जब भी मैं मिल जाता हूँ शराब के संग, बदल जाते हैं लोगों के जीने के ढंग। पीने के बाद आ जाती इनमें हैवानियत, सब कुछ तो छोड़ो बहू बेटियों पर भी आ जाती है कयामत।
तुम क्या ऐसे ही घर पर बैठे बैठे शराब पीते रहोगे या कुछ काम नहीं करोगे? देखो, घर में अनाज का एक दाना तक नहीं है। जाओ जाके 4 पैसे कमा लाओ।
मारो, चुप कर।
कौन मारो?
बैंक वाले कहते हैं घर बेच दो, दुकानदार कहता है फर्नीचर बेच दो, धोबी कहता कपड़े बेच दो, और अब हालात कह रहे हैं बेटी बेच दो, बेटी बेच दो।
हे राम, पैसों के लिए अपनी बेटी को बेच दिया। पानी का इतना गंदा रूप मैंने आज तक नहीं देखा।
अरे पगले, अभी तक तो तूने मेरा सिर्फ नकारात्मक रूप देखा है। अब देख, जमाने ने जिनको ठुकराया, पानी का असली रूप